Hey, 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 Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you're in, I hope that you're having a good day. So, I love the new spinoff show, Zatima. If you've ever watched the show, the Tyler Perry show, Sistas, Sistas, there is a couple on the show named, the guy's name is Zach, or his character's name is Zach, and her character's name is Fatima. So now they have Zatima, Zatima, and it's good. I just marathon watched. Well, I'm not quite finished the end of the fourth episode. To tell the truth, I'm 22 minutes and 13 seconds in, and there's 11 minutes and 4 seconds left. um, but it's really good. I'm enjoying the plot twist so far, which of course I pretty much figured that I would. But it's interesting. At first, it kind of started out a little slow for me. I'm just gonna be honest. But as I got into it, and the seasons, the episodes, rather, um, as I started watching more episodes, let me say it that way, I'm really enjoying it. And so now, it's season one, episode four. So they've only um, shown the four episodes so far. And like I said, I'm enjoying it so far. It's almost time for Sisters to come back on. And I kind of got into Bruz. That was really slow for me to get into because I was like, it was giving me House Husbands of Hollywood type of vibes. And I didn't, it took me a minute. Like, I enjoyed some of the content, but then it was a little like, can I really take this seriously type of things? It took me a minute. Um, it's very interesting. A lot of the tops, it's very Atlanta. And what I mean by that is, it is very accurate of what people experience in with dating in Atlanta. Um, so, I mean, I'm sure dating in other places is similar, but Atlanta's a very special place when it comes to dating. And so there are some nuances that may not occur in other cities. I'll just say it that way. So you'll have to watch in order to see what I'm talking about. But I'm really enjoying this and I'm going to finish watching, but I just had to record that. Just got back in from my walk and I really wanted to record it while I was still on my walk, but I was listening to something else. Um, so I waited till I came back in, and plus it was starting to get dark. So I'm enjoying Zatima. I'm Team Zatima. All right, y'all. That's it. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.